In our last video, what we have done, in our last video, we have started exercise 9.3 sequence series is NCRT, right? So we have done till question number 12. So today we'll start from question number 13. And question number 13 is saying, how many terms of GP are needed to give the sum 120? And the GP, the terms of GP are 3 square, 3 cube. Okay, sum कितना होना चाहिए? Sn is given 120, and see, first term is a, that is 3. R ratio is also 3. Okay, clearly it's given because we are multiplying by 3 in the first term, we are getting the second term. Okay, so Sn will be equal to a into r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. Sn is given as 120 and a is 3, r is 3 to the power n minus 1 upon 3 minus 1. ये हम clearly we can cut it and we'll get 40. 3 से cut करेंगे, we'll get, and this will be equal to 2. So directly we can write 40 into 2 is equal to 3 to the power n minus 1. It means 3 to the power n is equal to 40 into 2 will be 80 and plus 1. Okay, it means 81. 81 को we can write 3 to the power n is equal to 81 को we can write 3 to the power 4 लिख सकते हैं. It means n is equal to 4. So how many terms are required? 4 terms are required to give the sum 120. Okay, now we'll move to the next question, that is question number 14. In this question, it is given, the question is, the sum of first 3 terms of GP is 16 and the sum of next 3 terms is 128. Okay, so first 3 terms, first term A plus AR square. These are the 3 terms, first 3 terms, that is given 16. Okay, and next 3 terms, so next 3 terms matlab 4th, 5th and 6th term. So 4th term will be AR cube plus AR to the power 4 plus AR to the power 5, that is equal to 128. Okay, now what we have to do, this is equal to 16, A common लेते हैं. It means A ये 1 plus R square is equal to 16. Okay, equation 1. And here we'll take A common, what we are getting, A नहीं, A के साथ we can take R cube भी common ले सकते हैं, right? AR cube common ले लेते हैं. So we'll get 1 plus R square. Okay, and that is equal to 128. So equation 2. Now if we'll divide this equation 2 from 1, equation 2 divided by equation 1, we get AR cube into 1 plus R square divided by A into 1 plus R square is equal to 128 upon 16. ठीक है, so हम अगर A remove करते हैं and this one also will remove, so what value will be getting? 16. Okay, 16 भी अगर हम remove, I mean 16 8s are 128, so we'll get R cube is equal to 8. So if R cube is equal to 8, it means R is equal to 2, because 8 is equal to 2 का cube, so R will be equal to 2. Now putting the value of R in any term, equation 1, okay, so what we'll get, A into 1 plus R square is equal to 16. Now we'll put the value of R in this equation, so what value will be getting? A into 1 plus 2 ka square, that is 4, is equal to 16. Okay, it means A into 1 plus 2 3 plus 4 7 is equal to 16. So A का value will be equal to 16 upon 7. ठीक है, now what we have to find out, we have to find out the first term जो हमने find out कर लिया, we have to find out the common ratio जो हमने find out कर लिया, and one more thing we need to find out the sum of n terms of GP. Okay, the sum of n terms Sn, that will be equal to a into r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. तो sum of n terms will be equal to a का value is 16/7 and r का value will be equal to r is equal to 2. तो 2 का power n minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. So Sn, the sum of n terms will be 2 minus 1 will be 1. So the sum of n terms will be 16/7 multiplied by 2 to the power n minus 1. Okay, so this will be the value. Okay, now we'll move to the question number 15. In this question, what we have to find out, given a GP with A is the first term that is given 729. Seventh term is given. Seventh term is, so A7 is given. So A7 will be equal to A r to the power 6 होगा, that is equal to 64. Now we have to find out sum of 7 terms. This we have to find out. A is given, AR, seventh term is given. So first of all we'll find out r का value हमें find out करना है. So a r to the power 6 upon a will be equal to 64/729. ठीक है. So basically a हम divide कर देंगे and what value will be getting? We'll be getting a r to the power, okay, r का value what will be getting? R का value will be getting 2/3 का power 6. Why? Because 2 का power 6 will be 64 and 3 का power 6 will be 729. Okay, sorry, r to the power 6 का value will be getting this one. So r will be equal to 2/3. r का value हमें मिल गया. Now by putting the value of ar in sum का term, so we'll get the value S7 will be equal to a into r to the power 7 minus 1 divided by, here r is lesser than 1, so it will be 1 minus r to the power 1 minus r to the power 7 upon 1 minus r. Okay, so this a का value is 729 and r का value 1 minus r is equal to 2 to the power 3 का power 7 divided by 1 minus 2 to the power 3. So first of all 729 multiplied by 1 minus 2 to the power 3 to the power 7 divided by this 3 minus 2 divided by 3. Okay, so S7 will be equal to 7. This is basically 729 basically 3 to the power 6. Okay, and this is 1. Now here what we'll do, 3 to the power 7 minus 2 to the power 7 divided by 3 to the power 7. Okay, and divided by 1 upon 3. Okay, so this 3 को will यहाँ पे हम multiplication में लिख सकते हैं ना, we can write like this, 3 to the power 6, 3 to the power 7 minus 2 to the power 7 divided by 3 to the power 7, and ये we can write 3 upon 1, so 3. So what value will be getting? 3 to the power 6 into 3 will be 3 to the power 7, so we can remove 3 to the power 7. So what value for S7 we are getting? S7 के लिए the value will be 3 to the power 7 minus 2 to the power 7. 3 to the power 7 is 2187 and 2 to the power 7 is 128. So the value we are getting is 2057. Okay, so this will be the value for question number 15. Now we'll move to the next question, that is question number 16. Okay, find a GP. The question is find a GP for which sum of the two terms is minus 4. Okay, so question number 16. Find a GP for which sum of first two terms is minus 4. First term is this one, second term is AR, right? So sum of first two terms is equal to minus 4. Okay? And the fifth term is 4 times the third term. So third term क्या होगा? Third term will be AR square and fifth term will be AR to the power 4. Now it is saying the fifth term is 4 times the third term. So fifth term is equal to 4 times the third term. Okay? Now it means, now we'll simplify this one first. 4AR square is equal to AR to the power 4 ko we can write R square into R square will be equal to R to the power 4. So A cancel, R square cancel. It means R square will be equal to 4. So R can be equal to plus minus 2. Okay. R के 2 values मिले. Now what we have to do, दोनों values के लिए we have to check. Okay. So first of all, this is this A common लिया हमने and 1 plus R will be equal to minus 4. Okay. So इस formula के लिए will इस values के लिए we'll take two values of R. Okay. Here R for R is equal to minus 2 and R is equal, अच्छा R is equal to 2 ले लेते हैं, फिर पहले वही ले लेते हैं and then we will start A into 1 plus R is equal to minus 4. Okay. So A into 1 and this is equal to 2 is equal to minus 4. Then A into 3 is equal to minus 4. Then A will be equal to minus 4 upon 3. ठीक है. Now for R is equal to minus 2 लिया. So this one A into 1 plus R will be equal to minus 4. A into minus 2 1 and R को हमने minus 2 लिया. Will write minus 2 is equal to minus 4. This will be equal to A into minus 1 is equal to minus 4. Okay. So minus minus cancel, we'll get A का value 4. Okay. अब for these two we have to find out the values. वो सारे values चाहिए हमें first term, third term, till fifth term we have to find out. Okay. So for this one, AR is equal to 2 and A is equal to this one. So first term is A. So that is minus 4 upon 3. Okay. Second term is AR. AR मतलब minus 4 upon 3 into 2. That will be minus 8 upon 3. AR square. That will be minus 4 upon 3 multiplied by 4. So it will be minus 16 upon 3. Okay. And AR to the power 3, the fourth term, minus 4 upon 3 multiplied by 8. That will be equal to minus, here we can also write 2 to the power 2. And instead of 8, we can write 2 to the power 3. So 2 to the power 3 is 8 and that will be equal to minus 32 upon 3. Now AR to the power 4, that will be equal to minus 4 upon 3 multiplied by 2 to the power 4. Okay. So 2 to the power 4 will be 16 and 16 for the minus 64 upon 3 will be getting. So till fifth term we got. So we can write down the first term is A. So the GP will be minus 4 upon 3, minus 8 upon 3, minus 16 upon 3, minus 32 upon 3, minus 64 upon 3. Okay. Similarly, this way when we have taken R ka value minus 2, then A ka value is 4. Then AR will be equal to, R is minus 2, so AR will be equal to 4 into minus 2, that will be equal to minus 8. Okay. Now AR square, 4 into minus 2 ka square, that is 4. So it will be 16. AR cube, that is the fourth term, 4 into minus 2 का cube, that is minus 8. So minus 8 into 4 will be minus 32. Now AR to the power 4, that is fifth term, 4 into minus 2 ka power 4. Now minus 2 ka power 4 will be 16 and 16 into 4 will be 64. Okay, so what are the terms we are getting? A is equal to 4. The first term is 4, second term minus 8, third term 16, fourth term minus 32 and fifth term 64. So these are the terms. Okay. I hope you understood the sums. For any query, any doubt, please comment to like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.